Hello everyone, this is Pranita Sankhe. So let's know about the plant structure and function. So in the first part, we know about root and types of root and about stem. So in this part, we are going to know about flower, fruit and leaf. So let's start the video. So leaf. So leaves are generally thin, flat and green in color. So our mom cook food in the kitchen. मम्मा खाना किचन में बनाती है. In the same way, a leaf is actually called the kitchen of the plant. यहाँ पे प्लांट का खाना बनता है इस लीफ के अंदर. So leaf is the main organ responsible for photosynthesis and leaf contain chlorophyll. So through which the plant produces its energy and food. So leaf is very important part of the plant. So let's know about the parts of leaf. First is leaf blade or lamina. The broad spread out part of the leaf. So पूरा फैला हुआ जो surface है that is leaf blade. Now leaf margin. It is leaf edge. Means leaf की धारा. So leaf margin may be entire, complete, whole as you see in the picture. Then it may be dented, means tooth-like it is having tooth-like edge. Or it may be lobed as you see in the picture, means it is divided. The margin is divided. As you see in the picture, in that picture margins are divided in the leaf. Then next part is leaf apex, the tip of the leaf. Tip means the pointed or rounded end. See in the picture. Then next is petiole. Leaves of some plant have a stalk. It means petiole means it gives attachment to the leaf. वो leaf को attachment देता है. That part is petiole. Then next is leaf base. The portion of leaf attached to the stem. See, the leaf which is attached to the stem, that is leaf base. Then stipule. Small leaf-like structures may be present near the leaf base. See, at the down, small leaf-like structure is there. So that is nothing but stipule. Let's know about the leaves. Simple leaves and compound leaves. Leaves of some plants have undivided leaf plate and single midrib, as you see in the picture, single midrib. Such leaves are called simple leaves. So, this leaf is joined to the stem through petiole. See, stem से वो joined होती है through petiole and there is no subdivision. तो यहाँ पे कोई subdivision नहीं होता है. A simple leaf has only one blade. सिर्फ एक ही blade होता है इसके. So that is simple leaves. Now compound leaves. The leaf of a blade of a leaves in some plants is divided into many small parts called leaflets. Such leaves are called compound leaves. So many leaflets joined to stem through petiole. यानी बहुत सारे leaflet जो है stem को joined होते हैं petiole through and it shows complete division of leaf blade. तो leaf blade का complete division दिखाई देता है. So basically we can say many small leaves, बहुत छोटे छोटे पत्ते एक साथ आके it make a whole leaf. एक पूरा leaf बनाते हैं and that is compound leaves. Now let's know about different types of leaves. So in our surrounding there are different types of leaf. But this different plants of leaves, that arrangement of leaves on the stem is also different. So arrangement जो है stem के ऊपर leaves के ऊपर different होती है. So it may be Alternate. Alternate means in ascending order, एक के बाद एक. Then it may be opposite, as you see in the picture, facing in opposite direction, विरुद्ध दिशा में. Then it may be whorled, move in twisted manner. It may be spiral, as you see in the picture, rounded in the center. So these are the leaves arrangement on the stem in different ways. Now let's know about leaf venation. So leaf venation means arrangement of veins in a leaf. So veins का arrangement है leaf के ऊपर, that is leaf venation. So first we'll know about reticulate venation. The people leaf is divided into two parts. ये people leaf है and it is divided into two parts by single mid vein. See in the picture, single mid vein, and which lies along the midline of the leaf blade. So where it lies? Midline of the leaf blade. So this leaf blade is reticulate venation, shows reticulate venation, and it resembles to the network of veins. So this is nothing but reticulate venation. Now parallel venation. So in leaves of maize, all the veins are parallel. Parallel means side by side, running from the leaf base to the leaf apex. So it starts from the leaf base to leaf apex and they are parallel side by side. So thus this leaf showing parallel venation. Activity time. Take a fallen leaf and soak it into water for 15 to 20 days. Dry it and make a greeting card of leaf you get. Like this you can make it. Then activity second. Draw a special leaf you may have found. See, these are different leaves, so you can draw their structure. Now let's know about the flower. So flower, it is colorful, attractive part of a plant and it has a pleasant smell. So let's know about the parts of flower. So first is calyx. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like parts called sepals. See, in the picture, the leaf-like part. Bud is covered in the leaf-like part. कली जो है, वो covered होती है इस green part के अंदर, and that form the calyx. और वो क्या बनाता है? Calyx. Then corolla. This is made up of colorful parts called petals. So all the petals form corolla. Then androecium. This is male reproductive part of the flower and it consists of stamens. See, stamens. And each stamen is made up of anther. See, anther. Sorry. So anther which contain pollen. See, yellow color pollens. And then also it is made up of filament. Anther and filament. Then next part is gynoecium. This is female reproductive part of flower and this is made up of carpels. And carpel consists of three parts. First is stigma, see red dotted part. Then second is style, see long slender part. And third is ovary, which is inside the sepals. Inside the sepals, that is ovary. So, carpel is consists of three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Now, activity time. So, name the flower. Take any flower and write its name. Then count the number of sepals. Then see whether it is free or united. Then numbers of petals. Then petals are free or united. Then write the forms of androecium and gynoecium. Now let's know about various fruits and seeds. So we eat different types of fruits and each fruit has its own characteristic. And fruits have various shape, color, taste, etc. and fruits are very healthy for our body. But these fruits are bearing seeds, and we'll know about the seeds in detail now. First is dicotyledonous seeds. Seeds which get divided into two equal parts are called dicotyledonous seeds. Means they are divided into same two equal parts. दो same parts में divide होते हैं. That is dicotyledonous seeds. For example, mustard, beans, apple, legumes. These are dicotyledonous seeds. अगर उनको लेंगे and if you will open it, it will divide into two equal parts. Then second is monocotyledonous seeds. Seeds which not divide into two equal parts are called monocotyledonous seeds. So if we open it, they will not divide it into two equal parts. So same equal part में divide नहीं होंगे. So these are monocotyledonous seeds. For example, maize, banana, garlic, etc. So activity you have to do is to collect the pictures of dicotyledonous seeds and monocotyledonous seeds. So now we covered both part 1, part 2 and we covered whole lesson and hope you understand. And if you understand, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.